Children, we are starting with question number 2 of exercise 11.5. This is complete the table. Okay, so either if you want to do it in book, most welcome, you can do it in book, or if you want to do it in copy, even you can do it in copy. Okay, so you can decide for yourself where you want to write. So here, very simple. The first column is about the serial numbers. Okay, that is ABCD 1 to 3. The equation is given, the value of the variable, that means at what value is the condition, okay, and whether the condition is satisfied, that means whether this answer is correct or not, we have to write yes or no. So very simple, how to find out whether this answer is yes or no? Come back to the equation, put the value of y. Now when both sides are equal, if after putting the value, if both sides are equal, that is left hand side is equal to right hand side, then answer is yes, otherwise answer is no. Okay, so let's start here. Y is equal to 10. So 10 into 10 is equal to 80. 10 times 100 and 80. Are they equal? No. So what we will write? We said the answer. Answer will be no. Why? Because the condition, at this condition, the equation is not satisfied. Okay, that is why answer is no. Then B, 10y is equal to 80. Same type of question where the value of y is equal to 8. Now children, putting the value of y as 8 here. So 10 into 8 is equal to 8. 10 8s are 80, which is equal to the RHS. Yes. So here the condition is satisfied, the equation is satisfied. So we write yes. Okay. Similarly, we do the C1. Duster. Now we will start C. This question will take a little time, children, but don't worry, we will complete. C is also 10y is equal to 80 and y is equal to 5. So here we have to put the value of y as 5. So 10 into 5 is equal to 80. 10 times are 50. Are they equal? No. If they are equal, we will write yes. If they are not equal, we will write no. 4 is equal to 20. And L is equal to 20. So putting the value of L as 20, 4 2s are 8. Are they equal? No. So we will write yes or no? We will write no. Then we go to E. 4L is equal to 20 and L is equal to 80. So we put the value of L as 80, children. 4 8s are 32. So this is 320 and this is 20. Are they equal? No. So we write answer as no. Now we will erase. We have to start F. start F. Here's my book. L is equal to 20. L is equal to 5. So, putting the value of L as 5. 4 5s are 20 and equal to 20. So, answers are matching here. So, we write what, children? We will write yes. Then we go to G. B plus 5 is equal to 9 and B is equal to 5. So putting the value of B as 5, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So we write no. Then we go to H. 5 plus B. I need to say B plus 5 is equal to 9 and the value of B is 4. So let's put the value of B as 4 here. Answers are matching. So what we'll write? We'll write yes. So this completes H. Now we go to I. Children, we have to start I. B plus 5 is equal to 9. Value of B. I think we have done H as I. Value of B was 4. Okay, so now I am doing I as H, or wait, this was your H, I am doing it once again. H is B plus 5 is equal to 9, where the value of B is 9. So 9 plus 5 are they equal? No. Now we start I. B plus 5 is equal to 9 and B is equal to 4. So putting the value of 4, children, this we have done already, so it's the repeated part. 9 is equal to 9, so answer is yes. Then we go to J. H minus 8 is equal to 5. H minus 8 is equal to 5 and the value of H is 13. It's written small, it's a little confusing which one I am writing. So putting the value of H as 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 13 minus 8 is 5 only. 5 is equal to 5. So answer is yes. This is about J. I and J are over. Now we have to start K. K. H minus 8 is equal to 5. H is equal to 13. H is equal to 8. So now we put the value of H as 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 5. 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. And it's not equal to 5. So here what we'll write? We'll write no. Children, small I'll write L also here. H minus 8 is equal to 5. H is equal to 0. Putting the value of H as 0. 0 minus 8 is equal to 5. 0 minus 8 is minus 8 only. Yes. Because we subtract and we write the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number from 0 and 8 is 8 and it has a negative sign. So minus 8, which is not equal to 5. So answer is, after this M, N, O, P and Q. Children, you will do as homework. Okay? Or M and O you do as homework. P and Q I'll do it for you because it's negative sign. So you may get confused while writing. So let's start P and Q. P plus 3 is equal to 1. Q. P plus 3 is equal to 1. Value of P is minus 1. Value of P is minus 2. So here we put the value of P as minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 1. Now children, minus plus is minus. We have discussed this before also. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now, whose sign will this 2 take? Because one is negative, one is positive. So we check the numbers. Who is greater? 1 is greater, 3 is greater. 3 is greater, it is positive, so 2 is positive. Okay? So, are they equal? No, they are not. So the answer is no. Then Q, which I have already written. So here we will write this P is equal to minus 2 here. We put the value of P. So minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Now children, once again, minus plus is minus. That means we will subtract. Okay. So 3 minus 2 gives us 1. Now whose sign will this 1 take? It will take the sign of the greater number. So forget about the sign and just check the numbers. Who is greater? 2 is greater, 3 is greater. 3 is greater. So 1 will take positive sign. That means 1 is positive. Okay. So 1 is equal to 1. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So the answer is yes. Okay. In between, 3 sums are your homework. After this, we start question number 2, children. Very simple it is. Here also you can do it in book only. Question number 3, pick out the solution from the values. That means options are given. We have to take out we have to find out which is the correct answer. That means which one is satisfying the condition of the equation. Which condition is satisfying the equation actually, okay? Which condition? So there will be a little bit of rough work, children. You can do it at the side. Question number 3. Question number 3. 5n is equal to 60. Now you will see in the bracket there are values. So we put these as the values of m and we see which is condition is satisfying, which value is satisfying the equation. Okay, so let's start. first we put as 10. So 5 into 10 is equal to 60. 50 is not equal to 60. That means this is not the value. Then we go to the next one. 5. 5 5s are 25. Not equal to 60. You can see. Correct? So that means 5 is also not the value. Then we go to 12. 5 12s are 60. 60 is equal to 60. It is satisfying the equation, right? So who is the answer? 12 is the answer. So you can put a tick mark or you can circle it. Okay. So this completes the A part. Then we go to the B part. N plus 12 is equal to 20. 12, 8, 20 and 0. So first we put the first option, that is 12. Okay children? So 12 plus 12 is equal to 20. 12 plus 12 gives us 24. Which is not equal to 20. That means this is not the answer. We take the next one. 8 plus 12. Yes. This is the answer. Then we go to the C part. I keep the book in different places and then I keep searching. Okay. We'll go to C. P minus 5 is equal to 5. Options are 0, 10, 5, minus 5. So, first we put this 0. So, 0 minus P is equal, 0 minus 5 is equal to 5. 0 minus 5 is same, minus 5 only. Minus 5, is it equal to 5? 5 is equal to 5 children. But this is not alone 5. This is what? Minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to plus 5? No, it's positive integer, it is negative. That means it will not satisfy the condition, equation. We go to the next one. 10. We put the value of P as 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Both are same, both are positive. So answer is what? 10. Answer is yes, it's 10 because 10, the value P is equal to 10 is satisfying the equation P minus 5 is equal to 5. Okay. This completes C. Then we start with D. We have to start D children. Start D part. Q by 2 is equal to 7. And the options are 7, 2, 10, 14. Putting the value of 7 as 7 by 2, which is equal to 7. This becomes 3.5. Half of 7 is 3.5. Okay. So it is not satisfying. We go to the next. 2 by 2 is equal to 7. Answer is 1. Are they equal? No. So we go to the third option, that is 10. 10 by 2 is equal to 7. 2 ones are and 5s are. So this is 5, which is not equal to 7. That means 10 is also not satisfying. So it's but so obvious. The last one, that is 14, it will satisfy the equation, but still we solve. Okay. 14 by 2 is equal to 7. 2 ones are 7. 7 is equal to 7. See, 14 is satisfying the equation. So this completes D. Now we start E. part children. R minus 4 is equal to 0. Options are 4, minus 4, 8 and 0. Putting the value as the first option 4 minus 4. The first value itself has satisfied the equation, so we don't have to solve the rest of the part. Okay, so that means this is your answer. Then F. X plus 4 is equal to 2. Minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. So let's put the value. What is the first value? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Minus plus is minus. So we subtract 4 minus 2. What do we get? 2. Now this 2, the answer, will take whose sign? Will take the sign of the greater number. Who is greater, 4 or 2? 4 is greater, it has positive sign. So this 2 also has a positive sign and it satisfies the equation as both the sides are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. So the answer from where the 2 is equal to 2 is the answer. That means minus 2 is the correct option. So we complete F. Let's see if there is any G also. No, there is no G. Instead, there is question number 4, children. That is also is to complete the table. So we are going to do it in the book itself. Okay. So 4 has 2 parts, A and B. Oh, it has 2 more parts, that is C and D. Let's start. Let's write A. Complete the table, and by inspection means while checking out the values of the table, find a solution for the equation m is equal to 10. Sorry, m plus 10 is equal to, I'm so sorry, children. M plus 10 is equal to 60. Okay. So we have to find out at what value the LHS will be equal to RHS. So let's make the table. Rough work you can do at the side. There is a lot of space in your book. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. After 10, 3 more blanks are there. Okay. So let's make those blanks. And down to the second row, all are the blanks. Let's start. So putting the value of m as 1. So 1 plus 10 gives us 11. 2 plus 10 gives us 12. 3 plus 10 gives us 13. 4 plus 10 gives us 14. 5 plus 10 gives us 15. What are we doing? We are putting these values in place of m. For the first one, m became 1. When m is 1, then m plus 10 is 1 plus 10, which is 11. Then 12. Then 13, 14, 15. I think it will go 16, 17, 18, 20. Let's check. 20. After this 10. Now see, the series is going plus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, correct? So 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13. So this is 20 children. This becomes 21, this becomes 22, and this becomes 23. Now during the inspection we have to find that at what, let me check the equation. This is the equation, okay? At which value it is satisfying. So which value? Here is 16, you can see. So at which value? M is equal to 6. So when M is equal to 6, then this equation is satisfied, okay? So this completes the A part. We go to the B part after this. B part is also the same. Complete the table, and by inspection of the table, find the solution to the equation 5t is equal to 35. So let's do that.